Hello everyone! What if I told you that this ordinary old phone charger and a simple battery could become an essential tool for all your small soldering jobs? In just a few minutes, I'm going to turn it into a portable, effective soldering iron that will surprise you with its power. I'll take a small screwdriver to carefully pry open its casing. My goal here is to access the internal components while keeping the plastic casing, since we'll be repurposing it for our new tool. Once it's open, I'll gently remove the circuit board, leaving us with just the outer shell. With the casing empty, I'm now going to modify it. I'll use a step drill bit with my cordless drill to create a larger, perfectly sized hole on one side of the charger. The step drill is great because it allows me to gradually increase the hole size until I reach the desired diameter, ensuring a clean and precise opening for our next component. Next, I'm taking a bicycle inner tube valve stem. I'm cutting off the rubber part, leaving only the metal stem, which will be the housing for our soldering tip. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'm carefully inserting the valve stem into the newly widened hole in the charger casing. I'm securing it tightly with the small nut and washer I just disassembled. I'm using pliers to ensure it's firmly in place, creating a stable point for our new tool. Now, I'm drilling another hole on the opposite side of the charger casing using the same step drill. This second widened hole is for another important component, ensuring it fits snugly. Now for the core element. I'm taking a standard AA battery. I'm carefully using pliers to strip away the outer casing. Then, I'm scoring the plastic casing with a utility knife and peeling it away. I'm carefully using pliers to open it up and extract the carbon rod from inside. This carbon rod is excellent for conducting heat and will be our soldering tip. I'm cleaning it off with a tissue to remove any residue. We want a clean, stable tip for precise soldering. To make our soldering tip truly effective, I'm inserting the carbon rod into my drill and carefully shaping its tip with sandpaper. This creates a fine point, ideal for detailed work and ensures good heat transfer. Now for the electrical connections. I'm taking a red insulated wire and feeding one end thread through the hole just drilled and the valve body. Next, I'm stripping one end of this red insulated wire with pliers, exposing the copper strands. Proper insulation removal is vital for a good electrical connection. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. This red wire is connected to the carbon rod, completing the circuit within the charger. I secure the carbon rod to the valve head, making sure the copper wires were not exposed. I'm now closing the charger casing securely. At the other end of the red wire, I stripped the wire and attached an alligator clip to the end of it. These clips will allow for easy and secure connections to power sources, completing the first part of our electrical setup. I'm repeating this process with a white wire and another alligator clip for the negative lead. For the other side of our circuit, I'm stripping this white insulated wire and twisting its copper strands. I'm now attaching a blue crocodile clip to the stripped white wire. This creates our negative lead, ready to be connected to the power source, ensuring a complete and safe circuit. Here's our power source, a car battery. I'm connecting the red clip to the positive terminal and the blue clip to the negative terminal of the battery. We'll be using its robust power to make our new tools function. Watch as I touch our new soldering iron, made from the charger and carbon rod. It heats up instantly, proving it's ready to solder. The glow is amazing. I'm using our homemade soldering iron to melt this razor blade onto the piece of wood. You can see the heat doing its work, creating a strong bond. Watch as I touch the carbon tip to a razor blade, and it quickly heats up and glows red. This is perfect for small, intricate soldering jobs. And just like that, the razor blade is firmly attached. For another application, I'm stripping and twisting two white insulated wires. Using a soldering iron, I will twist these two wires together tightly. My DIY soldering iron makes quick work of melting the solder, creating a strong connection. It's also great for heating up and melting solder on metal objects. This demonstrates the surprising power and utility of our DIY soldering tool, all from repurposed materials. Finally, I'm demonstrating its power by using it to weld this small metal strainer. It quickly glows orange, proving its capability for various heating tasks. This soldering shows that our soldering iron can work on many material surfaces. This little tool is incredibly versatile. I really hope you enjoyed this project and found it useful. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing DIY hacks. Leave any comments or questions below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.